Hi and welcome to a vlog. I'm just getting tired. Haul time! I didn't tell you the main thing. Even though I don't know कि ये vlog कैसा जाएगा because I'm really stressed and I do not feel like talking a lot. But basically I am going somewhere to another city, to a very random city. I've never been there before for hardly 24 hours, not even 24 hours. But first thing I need to do is just make a list of things that I have to take, and I also have to shop. So I want to take you with me because मुझे अकेले जाने में बहुत डर लगता है. पर फिर जब भी मैं कैमरा से बात कर रही होती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. So you are my emotional support stuffed toys. Does that work for you? Wait. First thing first, I need to go shopping because I have nothing to wear. Like for my meetings, I just own this. I have no formal clothes, so I have to go shopping. But उससे पहले I have to charge my car because whenever my brother takes it out, he never charges it again. But one thing is that I don't like finding and wasting time while finding charging stations. So I carry this portable EV charger for my car. It's called Spin Free by Exicom, and I'm telling you, it is such a lifesaver, especially if you have an electric vehicle. Let me show you how it works and then we'll go shopping. It's super compact and easy to use. I literally just plug it in any standard socket and boom, it's charging. No setup, no waiting. It's also smart enough to detect any electrical issues and shuts off power if needed, just like this, which is great because safety first, right? Okay, now you can see that it's charging. It's literally made with eco-friendly material, so I am not only driving clean and green, I'm also charging clean and green. This charger works with major EVs and it's also suitable for Indian summers that we know gets so damn hot. So yeah, while my car charges for a bit, I need to go and change because it's too cold for me to just wear a simple sweatshirt. So I'll see you when I'm at the mall. Bye. हाँ भाई क्या हाल है? Can you recognize this trial room? I look so bad in the camera, but in real life, my face isn't that discolored. So I have a bunch of clothes. You can't see, but I have like 10 pieces of clothes here. And I want to build my winter wardrobe. For what reason, you may ask? No reason. The first thing that we're going to try is this green top, and I only have 10% in my phone, so I don't know how much I'm going to show you, but this because I have a few meetings and I need to dress formal. So I'll put this on and I'll show you. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't hate it if I open my hair. Well, I shouldn't have, but reject. Okay, next we have this basic t-shirt which I'm gonna get for sure because you guys know कि मैं ऐसी t-shirts बहुत पहनती हूँ and I just know I'm gonna like exploit it. But what you can't see is that I'm also wearing jorts. Wait, I'm putting you here so that maybe you can see. But I don't like these jorts. Actually, I think winters में मैं क्या ही करूँगी jorts लेके bro, बहुत ठंड है. So I'm gonna pass on the jorts. I'm gonna take the top, also because it's just for $3.99. By the way, it's the first day of my period, so now you know I am annoyed. Okay, these are the jeans. They're pretty like they're comfortable, yeah, but bro, they're high waisted. Okay, ये इसको मत ध्यान देखो, मैंने अभी बंद नहीं किया है. Yeah, fuck it, मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. These are high waisted. इतना ये पहुँच सकता है, but I've taken a bigger size ताकि ये low waist हो. मुझे हाई वेस्टेड बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद चीज़ें. Like I do not like high waisted stuff. I'm very 50-50 on this. I'm gonna pair it with the pants. Give me a second. This is how the denim jacket looks on me. Like I like the structure of the jacket. I don't know why, but it makes me look like Lisa from 1920 भूत वाली movie. I don't like it. ना खोल के भी बटन कुछ लंड फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Reject. Okay, another option is this top, which is sort of making my tits pop out. I don't like this. Like आपको दिख रहा है ये जो folds आ रहे हैं? No, cinch my waist. This fucking collar, I thought that ये पूरा वो ऐसे काउल नेक टाइप होता, क्योंकि तब मैं ले लेती. ये लोडू सा कॉलर क्या है जो इन्होंने बहनचोद लगा रखा है. अगर ये ऐसे काउल नेक सा होता तो आई वुड हैव लाइक्ड इट सो मच. एक्चुअली मैं उल्टा भी तो पहन ही सकती हूँ. My phone's gonna die and I have to pay through my phone. So I am going to do the rest of the shopping myself and I'll give you a haul when we go home. Okay? See you. Hey, I'm back. And let me give you a haul. I am not energetic right now. It's 9:30. My flight is for 5:15-ish. And I have really bad cramps. I really do not want to go. Anyway, let me give you a haul. First, ये तो मेरी गाड़ी में पड़ी हुई थी वो टोपी जो मैं नायका लैंड गई थी जिस ब्रांड के साथ उन्होंने दी थी. I got black shirt which cinches on your waist, which will look really nice. मैं कल की मीटिंग में पहनूंगी तो आप देख लोगे. And it was at a 40% discount, तो ये 1500 की मुझे लगा लो आप. 800 रुपए की पड़ी थी. Then I got that high neck sweater I was showing you. उसके साथ I got this that I was showing you, and I got this pink normal sweatshirt. I got these. Basically भाई जब भी मैं मीटिंग में जाती हूँ वैसे तो मुझे चप्पल पहनने की आदत है पर लेकिन मैं वो नहीं कर सकती हूँ राइट. I thought I would get like these. I think ये फॉर्मल लगते हैं. All of this was for 7,000 rupees. क्या कर सकते हैं भाई अब चाहिए था तो चाहिए था. मैं पूरी दुनिया के ऊपर पैसे लगाती रहती हूँ बस अपने ऊपर ही नहीं लगा पाती हूँ. Literally every elder's daughter ever. So now I have to pack and I thought I would show you. First off, I'm only keeping only concealer, mascara, lip balm, hand cream. मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है जाने का. Queen, I'm not going to lie to you. Like I'm really annoyed right now. Okay, so what I do usually is that मैं अपने notes app में लिख लेती हूँ कि मुझे क्या क्या लेके जाना है. By the way, did I even tell you that I am only going for wait? And yeah, I'm keeping it on my bed. If it's dirty, I don't fucking care. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. मैंने सोना है ना यहाँ पर. Yeah. Oh fuck. इस पे कीड़ा था. If it's dirty, I don't fucking care. Actually, I guess I do care. But I am not even going for 24 hours. My flight's at 5 in the morning. I will reach there, I think, by 8 o'clock. I have my meeting at 3 o'clock. And then I have my flight back home at 9 o'clock. Anyway, कोयम्बटूर में ठंड होगी क्या? Actually, I don't know. वैसे तो मैं वहाँ सोने भी नहीं वाली हूँ, but I would obviously want to change after I land. And then I'm taking this. It's actually a meeting related to Westridge. Then I am going to. Actually, I will wear these. वैसे तो मुझे पजामा पहनना था, पता नहीं मैं जो कहाँ फेंक दिए मेरे पजामे. मैं तो इतनी तंग आ चुकी हूँ ना अपने घर वालों से. The most important thing that I need to take are my fucking samples. Okay, let me show you. You guys already know that we are selling this Comporta collection on Amazon and our website both. But I am also trying to launch. You guys are the first ones to hear it. I'm trying to launch Bone China also. And you see this. This is actually 24 karat gold. Yep. So I want to dive into the luxury thing also while also keeping it affordable. ये samples लेके जाने हैं. देखो आपको दिख रहा है पीछे Westridge लिखा हुआ gold में. These are all our collections, all designed by yours truly. But लेकिन मैं इसको कैसे लेके जाऊँ कि ये टूटे ना भाई. मैं usually ऐसे white डिब्बे में लेके जाती हूँ अपने samples meeting में, but मैं अब कैसे लेके जाऊँगी? Like see, this is the plain mug. Obviously हम इसको design करते हैं, but and I will take another mug का set. Driver's license. मेरी driver's license की फोटो देखोगे आप? जब बंदेड़ी लग रही हूँ जिसमें मैं. Westridge का business card. These lip products ये ना मेरे को शुगर ने PR भेजा था. I think this is such a cute fall lip gloss. Wow, मैंने अपना debit card वगैरह सब कुछ एक खुली pocket में रख दिया है. और zipped वाली चीज़ में मैंने क्या लिखा है अपने lip glosses. वाह कमाल की बात है कैंची रखी तो. Then I'm putting मेरी Cure Skin की sunscreen. इसका ढक्कन मैंने खो दिया है. मेरा Cure Skin का ABC cream and my perfume. क्या चाहिए बिल्लू तेरे को? बंद हो जाना बहनचोद. Neck pillow, which I will be attaching to this bag that I always take to the airport. This is from Urbanic, by the way. I think it's pretty cute for just, you know, traveling. Usually when I'm packing, I'm good. पागल तो नहीं है तू कहीं डिब्बे लेके आता रहता है वॉशरूम से. मैं थक गई हूँ कैसे. मैं थक गई हूँ तेरे से. तू तंग कर रहा है अब मेरे को. And what I was saying is that usually when I'm packing, I'm going to Bangalore. I don't dread packing for that, but right now I'm sort of dreading it. But regardless, this is how the situation is. And now I think I want to do some real talk. Okay, I'm done packing. I guess मैं real talk आपसे अब कोयम्बटूर जाके ही करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे पहले packing कर लेनी चाहिए. And I'm also hungry and I think I'm getting too overstimulated right now. And I miss my boyfriend. Oh my god, bro. Sometimes I wish I had like. Let me shut my door because I can't seem like a weakling to my family. They can't hear me cry. Okay, yeah. So what I was gonna say was that sometimes I wish that I was the younger one, or maybe just that I didn't take a lot of things on my plate because I get tired, and then I feel guilty for feeling tired because I am the one who took all of this upon myself. Like I was the one who wanted to do so much, and if well, I realize अगर मैं सिर्फ वेस्टेज या D2C करी होती, which is just from me to the customers like on website, then it would have been fine. But I'm also trying to do it with other businesses like in collabs, not the influencer collabs, but like actual collabs, business collabs, mergers and stuff. I think that I'm just getting tired. And I'm on my period, so I might be overreacting, but why the fuck am I crying? I just shopped. Anyway, there's no point in crying. I don't know why I'm crying. I guess I'm just overstimulated. I've taken a lot of things on myself, okay, and I'm afraid of failing, which I know I'm not gonna fail, but it's still a scary thought. And I'm tired of being the one who does everything work-wise. It's my problem कि मैं नहीं satisfy होती है जब कोई और कुछ काम कर रहा होता है. Like even if it's packing and if someone else is doing it, I have to see कि आप ठीक कर रहे हो कि नहीं. And it's mainly because people ruin shit, okay? Like they literally ruin shit. They don't do it how I would do it, and that pisses me off. But then maybe sometimes I just need to let it be and be like, fuck it, bro. If a thank you card does not have a heart, handmade heart, then it's fine. But it's not. Like I can cry, but I get shit done. Like I get shit done, then I cry, but at least my shit is done. I don't know if it makes any sense. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm going to the airport. God, it's gonna be a journey. I've landed and I'm so fucking sleepy, you guys. Like I slept the whole flight. Like I literally slept the whole flight. But of course 2 घंटे की flight क्या ही होती है. I'm waiting for my cab now. I am going to pass the fuck out hotel पहुँचते. Did I even tell you guys where I am? I'm in Coimbatore, by the way. Fuck, I think I haven't told you that. So I not only didn't tell you guys I'm going to Coimbatore, I also didn't tell you that I literally booked the hotel yesterday. और मुझे नहीं पता है hotel कैसा होने वाला है because this was the only hotel that allowed me to check in at 9 in the morning. Looks okay. Okay, update. It's a pretty third class hotel. I didn't expect it to be so bad. Like, look at, like you can just tell by looking at the curtains. This is not how it looked like in pictures. And look at how dirty. Like you see these scratches. ये तो मेरे अपने घर में भी नहीं है ऐसा. But I guess this will do for a few hours. It's 9:15 right now. AC भी नहीं है शायद. अच्छा है ये रहा. It's 9:15. My meeting is at 3 o'clock. Let me sit once, wait. First I need to check कि मेरी प्लेटें बची भी हैं, like मेरे samples. It's safe. mug. And it is. Damn. Let me change into that t-shirt. It's too hot here. Now I can breathe. Fuck, I didn't even check the washroom and now I'm scared to check the washroom. Come, we'll go together, okay? Moment of truth. This is not what they showed. Okay, I just need to suck it up for a few hours. That's all I need to do because they have said that it's sanitized for my protection, but I don't feel really protected here. And can you imagine, like, it was between this hotel or Ibis. Like, these were the only two nice hotels, and I called Ibis and they were like, no, sorry, like, your check-in can only be at 2 p.m. बहनचोद 2 बजे तो मैं निकल जाऊंगी अपनी मीटिंग के लिए. First of all, who the fuck made this rule that check-in should be at 2 p.m.? 2 p.m. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, even if I get a flight and I want to go to another country, I would want to land before 10 or like by 10, at least before 12 o'clock. Your mom is going to wait for... I can't. I need to be calm and composed. Okay, so now as I was saying, great, some light for you. I actually came here for a really important meeting for Vestigia, and I had to, so I'll tell you, whenever if you need somebody, you have to be very cheap. Like, the person I'm here to get a meeting with, I was like, at his head that, okay, no problem, I'm coming there anyway, I'll meet you, coming there anyway. I wasn't coming here anyway. I came specially to meet him for whatever work. So, I wasn't gonna come alone earlier. मुझे ऐसा लगा था, मतलब हमेशा से पता था कि मैं अकेले आऊँगी, तो मुझे लगा था कि मेरी मीटिंग काफ़ी लाइक कूल जगहों पे होगी. Not saying Coimbatore isn't cool, and this room doesn't lock, by the way, अंदर से, like it's just like if they have a master key they can easily open it. So I am glad that I am not staying the night, because जितना मैंने Law and Order देखा है, I can't stay at night, but at least the sheets are clean. Sheets are pretty clean. I like that. अब मेरा प्लान ये है कि मेरी 3 बजे मीटिंग है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, और 9:30 भी बज रहे हैं, तो मैं 9:30 से 12:30 सो जाऊँ, ठीक है. फिर 12:30 उठ के मैं बाहर जाऊँ कुछ खाने के लिए. एरिया मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता. So I'll check if I can go out. Like, I didn't see a cafe. Do I sound... Fuck! I didn't tell you the main thing. So as soon as I landed, I booked my Uber ना. तो मैं वेट कर रही हूँ उस बंदे के आने की. पहले तो उसने मेरे से कॉल करके पूछा और उसने कुछ आई थिंक तमिल में बोला, और आई जस्ट रिप्लाइड इन इंग्लिश, एंड देन ही रिप्लाइड इन इंग्लिश सेइंग, मैम वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो, एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस होटल, एंड ही वाज लाइक ओके, एंड देन ही कैंसल्ड इट, जो कि तो चलो हर जगह होता है. फिर दूसरा बंदा आया और उसने मेरी शक्ल देख के, मैं अंदर बैठी, उसने बोला मैम एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस लगेंगे, एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट फॉर. और ऑब्वियसली लाइक ही डिडंट नो इंग्लिश प्रॉपर्ली एंड आई डिडंट नो हिज लैंग्वेज. तो उसने बोला कि नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे पार्किंग में हूँ, इसीलिए एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस लगेंगे. तो मैंने बोला कि भाई ये क्या बात हुई, मतलब मेरी गलती है क्या तू पूरा टाइम पार्किंग में वेट कर रहा था कि तेरे को कोई राइड मिल जाएगी तो मैं तेरे को एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दूँ. मैंने बोला कि भाई जो ऊबर में है मैं वही दूंगी, जो लाइक व्हाटएवर देव रिटन, बिकॉज द थिंग इज दैट these people really want to scam tourists. Like, I am talking about cab drivers anywhere, they would scam tourists. मेरे साथ ऐसा पहले भी हो रहा है. जब मैं पहली बार अकेले बैंगलोर गई थी, तो आई रिमेंबर इट वॉज व्हेन आई वेंट टू सरप्राइज प्रथम लास्ट ईयर, एंड मेरे फ़ोन में 1-2% बैटरी थी बस. तो वो बंदा मेरे पीछे पड़ गया था कि आपका फेयर 600 नहीं 700 है, देखो. और मेरा सिंस मेरा फ़ोन बिल्कुल बंद होने ही वाला था, एंड आई हैड टू व्लॉग, तो मैंने अपने फ़ोन में चेक नहीं किया था, बट उसने जो भी पता नहीं कोई नकली स्क्रीन दिखा दी थी मेरे को, लाइक दे, एंड देन ही वाज लाइक आप मेरी बहन की तरह, मैं आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ी करूँगा. और उसने मुझे अपना नंबर दे दिया था, एक वो देने और आज का देने, मुझे आज तक अपने कभी पैसे वापस नहीं मिले हैं. दिस गाय देन कॉल्ड समबडी एल्स, और वो ऐसे बात करने लग गया. ऑब्वियसली आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज. फिर कोई वो बंदा आया मुझे बोलने के लिए कि नहीं एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस लगेंगे, तो मैंने बोला कि मैंने कभी पहले तो दिए नहीं है. लाइक आई शोड देम दैट आई हैव बीन हियर बिफोर, एंड देन दे वर लाइक अच्छा ठीक है जाओ. मतलब आपके शहर में कोई बंदा आया है, लेट्स से मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, पहली बार, अगर उनको मैंने ऐसे शो किया मैं पहली बार आ चुकी हूँ, बट लेट्स से कोई पहली बार आपके शहर में आया है, इज दिस द इम्प्रेशन दैट यू वांट टू सेट, दैट हमें एक्स्ट्रा 100 रुपये दो. इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट द मनी, इट्स अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल. कैम माइंड सेट से चल रहे हो तो फिर भाई आई एम सॉरी. पहले पता मैं दे देती थी पैसे. पहले मैं सोचती थी यार ये भी तो किसी के पापा ही हैं जो कैब चला रहे हैं, दिस इज़ व्हाट ही डज फॉर लिविंग, मे बी इट्स नॉट इनफ, तभी वो स्कैम कर रहे हैं या वो मांग रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा पैसे. पर फिर मेरे को लगा बहन चोद, ऐसे थोड़ी होता यार. मैं भी तो फिर उस हिसाब से एक बच्ची हुई ना. वाओ. इमेजिन आई कीप स्लीपिंग एंड आई डोंट वेक अप एंड आई मिस माई मीटिंग. मुझे ना पता है फ्लाइट्स में बहुत डर लगता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा तो काम होने वाला है. पर लेकिन आज मेरे को इतनी नींद आ रही थी कि जब टर्बुलेंस हो रही थी ना, मतलब आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, मैं भजन डाउनलोड करके जाती हूँ फ्लाइट्स में, ताकि जब भी मुझे थोड़ी एंग्जाइटी होने लग जाए तो मैं भजन सुनने लग जाऊँगी. पर मैं आई वॉज सो नॉक्ड आउट कि मुझे सुनाई दे रहा था कि टर्बुलेंस होने वाली है, जो भी अनाउंसमेंट होती है. आई कुड नॉट गिव अ फक. सो बेसिकली if you are also somebody who's scared of taking flights, just don't sleep for 24 hours before your flight. और सो जाओ फिर फ्लाइट में और फिर आपको लंच फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, मतलब बिल्कुल भी. Okay, I am gonna go sleep now and I will see you guys when I see you guys, because we're stuck together for 24 hours. Good night. Good morning. I woke up half an hour ago. अभी 1:30 हो रहे हैं. And then I ordered some food for myself. मैंने KFC order किया है. That I can see is coming in 11 minutes. So I think that's crazy. I'm not gonna go out क्योंकि मेरे को एक तो यहाँ पे आसपास कुछ अच्छा दिखा नहीं था आते हुए. एंड दूसरी बात, मेरे को जो मीटिंग में जाना है, मेरे को 3 बजे पहुँचना. एंड दैट प्लेस इज़ लाइक an hour away. It's like 40 kilometers from this place. So I don't want to go out right now. I was thinking I'll edit a bit क्योंकि since Monday है तो सारे brands मेरे पीछे पड़ चुके हैं. कहाँ है मेरी वीडियो, कहाँ है? And I was like, okay, Queen, I will give it to you ASAP Rocky. So I'm doing that. And yeah, that's it. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of when I went to Pune to write my backlog exams, and I was staying at a hotel where no one else was there. Like Paridhi came in a bit, but where I was staying alone, no one was there. And even though this is so much better, I'm here to talk about my business and I've come a far away. It still feels like trauma never goes, you know, that मेरे को जितना ट्रॉमा उस टाइम का है ना कि मेरे को जो मेरे एग्जाम्स नहीं देने दिए थे कॉलेज वालों ने अटेंडेंस की वजह से, एंड फॉर ऑल दोज रीजंस, द रीजंस वर वैलिड, but the only thing that wasn't valid was that told me the wrong syllabus and they were like, oh, like they just didn't take responsibility for that, because of which I had to come back again, which is kharcha in flights and mental health. Anyway, the point is that मुझे यहाँ पे आके फिर वो हल्का सा याद आ गया कि ये भी तो हुआ था कि मैं एक बार अकेले आई हुई थी और फिर मैं पढ़ रही थी. अब मैं पढ़ नहीं रही हूँ. It just feels like a timeout, like somebody has put me in a timeout on a Monday, which is my worst nightmare because Monday is where everyone's on my head. That's what I want to tell you, and I have to make a few calls regarding my business, so I need my phone. I'll talk to you later. It came. I ordered a classic chicken zinger burger with cheese. The last thing I ate was that idli from the lounge. Eating this is making me happy. My worst nightmare is, imagine I'm in this deep and then I just get a text, hey, can we do it tomorrow? I am ready and bro, I was booking my Uber and उसमें लिखा है कि you wanna go intercity because apparently it's not in Coimbatore, it's in Tirupur, which I thought I could just go through Uber, but now I booked an Uber intercity, so he's coming in 14 minutes and I'm probably going to be late, but that's fine as long as I make it there, because I got scared for a second ki what if I just do not get a cab for intercity. Oh my god, oh my god. I am nervous now because the cab is like 5 minutes away. Since I need to look older, the glasses come in and this fucking clip goes off. I'm 30 years old now. And I think we're ready to go. Say all the best to me. मैं अभी उबर वाले से बात कर रही थी and I was trying to just talk in English and that too with like a southern accent because I didn't want him to think that I'm a tourist and then he would cancel on me because this has happened many times. I'm waiting for him to come out and I'm feeling sort of pukish because of how long the car ride was. I am back, but oh my god, my meeting went well, but I am not going to lie, guys. I am so sleepy. Okay. Oh, finally, bhai. These last 24 hours have been such a roller coaster. Anyway, this is the top that I got yesterday while shopping. I fucking love how. Wait, you can't see properly. I am sorry, it's my fault. This shirt cinches in. Anyway, bro, भाई पिछले 24 घंटे जो मेरे गए हैं ना, आपके सामने की बात है. कभी मैं रो रही हूँ. अभी गाड़ी में बैठे बैठे I started crying. It's because I'm on my period. It's 100% that only. But it is also because I miss my boyfriend and I want a break. This was not a break. Like you saw clearly. 24 hours ago I was shopping. Now I'm in the city. And then in like another 5 hours I'll be in another city. Sometimes I just wonder, like, isn't it crazy though? Like, imagine explaining this to a caveman that yeah, you're here, but like next time you wake up you'll be in another corner of the world. Like what? भाई यहाँ पे लोग मुझे बहुत अजीब तरीके से देख रहे हैं. मतलब not गंदी नजर से, more like as if I am a call girl. I'll tell you. For example, अभी मैं लिफ्ट से ऊपर आई थी तो एक आंटी थी and she's in proper attire. I think it was a proper South Indian attire. I think she was coming from a wedding or going somewhere, ऐसा लग रहा था. And she looked at me like she's passing. Imagine you're there, ठीक है, and I'm that auntie. अरे इतना घूर के मेरे को क्या देख रहे हो भाई? मैंने क्या आपके बेटे को चुरा के भाग रही हूँ क्या ऐसे? Another 2 hours. I love this top. Like I can't stop looking at it. I'm sorry, I can't. I think it's super cool and I think it look even cooler with like, you know, a short like black skirt. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं सो जाऊँ या फिर मैं editing कर लूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक नाइकालैंड वाला vlog I have to upload. ठीक है, मैं सो जाऊँ थोड़ी देर. I think I deserve it. मैं अपने पापा से बात कर रही थी अभी आते हुए, tell him की meeting कैसी गई वो. And he was like, अब तो सो मत जाइयो, अब जो मीटिंग में हुआ है उसके मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग बना ले. किसके लिए? मैं ही तो हूँ सब कुछ. मैं मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग बना के किसको बताऊँ? अपने आप को ही. Bro, you need to see me in a meeting, you know, like you guys. I wish I could record, but obviously I can't. I am the most overconfident cunt you will see in any meeting. Like I think that's great. You need to be overconfident. Always, you know, people say confident ठीक है पर overconfident मत हो जाना. Bitch, you better fucking be overconfident. And I would highly recommend being overconfident. Be overconfident. Why can you not be overconfident? Who made this rule? You know who made this rule? The people who are losers. Like the ones who have nothing. So they're like, oh, why is she confident? Because being confident doesn't matter if you have something or not. You do not need to possess something to be confident. It's just a mindset. And when people like losers, they don't have anything, and they see that like the person next to them also does not have anything, but he's confident. So they're like, why are you confident? Confident होना अच्छी बात नहीं है. इतना overconfident मत हो. चल ना लौड़े मेंचोद. काट के फेंक दूंगी. I need some sleep. I'll talk to you later. Morning. I woke up so late. Now my Uber is waiting downstairs. So let's go. Let's check out.
Ghi adding sugar? No.